Hello, in this video I'm going to show you 5-minute scalping strategy for forex, stocks, crypto. It doesn't matter, and it works on all time frame. Okay, so first you need this Hull Suite indicator. Okay, Hull Suite indicator by Insilico. The setting is 100 here. Okay, 100, and then you need a Parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR by Everget. The setting is default. I don't change anything. And then you need a Chaikin money flow. Okay, it's this one, Chaikin money flow, and the setting is 15. Change the color of it. Okay, 15. Okay, so for sell, you want the Hull Suite to be red, and you want the Parabolic SAR to have a sell signal, and the Chaikin money flow has to be above the 0 line. Okay, so this is where you sell, and most people they sell when the Chaikin money flow is below the 0 line, and to me it's too late, so I only sell when it's still above the 0 line. Okay, so I do the opposite things. So okay, so here is the sell. So Hull Suite is red, you have a sell signal, Parabolic SAR, and the Chaikin money flow is above the 0 line, so that's where you sell. So the stop loss is previous logical swing high. Okay, so you can target 1 to 2 or 1 to 1.5. All right. Okay, so here you have another sell here. Okay, the Chaikin money flow is above the 0 line, Hull Suite red, and you have a sell signal. Okay, so stop loss is a bit subjective, so you have to figure it out on your own. Okay, so maybe here. So you can target 1 to 2. All right. Okay. So for buy, it's the opposite. The Hull Suite has to be green, and you have a buy signal on Parabolic SAR, and the Chaikin money flow has to be below 0. Okay, so you have a valid buy here. So stop loss is maybe right there. You can target 1 to 2. All right. Okay. So here is another signal. We have a buy, Hull Suite green, and the Chaikin money flow is below 0. All right. So stop loss is right there, and you can target 1 to 2. Okay. So if you like the video, please subscribe and comment down below for YouTube algorithm. Okay, thanks.